It is part of the Abrahamic blessing to go to battle to restore every of your relatives that is under captivity, to restore. The ones that are drug addicts, the ones that are not in Christ, the ones that have been acting. Listen, it is part of the Abrahamic blessing to restore lots. I want to give you a few minutes to intercede for your friends, your loved ones. By the force of grace, you are bringing them out of captivity. They will not die in their sins. They will not die in their sins. Pray right now, pray right now, pray right now.